As night descends, the external environment quiets, yet neural activity escalates within the cerebral cortex. Historically, cultures attributed dreams to divine or prophetic communication.
Contemporary neuroscience offers a mechanistic perspective, rooted in data processing and biological maintenance.
During sleep, the brain undergoes crucial processes: synaptic pruning and memory consolidation. Dreams facilitate the categorization and long-term storage of experiential data, filtering the noise from the signal. Nightly, the brain processes acquired knowledge, intense emotional states, and stress responses. The most intense dream phases occur during REM sleep, characterized by rapid eye movement. These rapid ocular movements beneath closed lids suggest the brain is actively looking at the internal imagery it generates.
Not all dream content is stochastic. Meaningful patterns frequently emerge from the chaos. Research suggests dreams are vital for problem-solving and effective cognitive integration.
Legend suggests a South Asian female scientist visualized light propagation in a dream, inspiring a theory that changed the cosmos.
Dreams also serve a critical emotional regulatory function, balancing our psychological equilibrium. For instance, post-traumatic stress often triggers dream replays, enabling the mind to process trauma adaptively. Nightmares, prevalent after stress, reflect this heavy, necessary processing load. These intense experiences train the brain to confront and mitigate fear responses in a safe, simulated environment.
Essentially, this simulates survival scenarios within a protected neural ecology.
Occasional dreams appear predictive only due to the brain's high capacity for advanced pattern recognition.
This stems from the mind's exceptional ability to detect latent correlations and extrapolate future probability. Dreams synthesize memories, cognitive inputs, and affective states into surprisingly cohesive narratives.
These narratives are not random, but reflect the evolving, multifaceted aspects of our personal identity.
Regardless of the why, dreams fundamentally bridge conscious and unconscious states of being. They are profound proof of the persistence of cognitive activity, a non-stop engine of thought. Even in repose, the mind constructs, innovates, and explores boundaries. Upon awakening, fragments of this internal world persist, a lingering feeling or indelible image.
These lingering pieces are evidence of the brain's autonomous narrative generation. Dreams constitute subconscious articulations.
Each night, you inhabit a deeply self-constructed realm.
There, within that silent cosmos of thought, you experience myriad identities and simulated lives. So tonight, as you close your eyes, consider this profound implication.
Dreams are not mere escapes from reality, but extensions of what reality could be.
Perhaps the dream state harbors our most authentic, unconstrained essence.
Perhaps the dream state harbors our most authentic, unconstrained essence.